A final video for this chapter, section 10.9, polar equation of conics. So conics, ellipses, parabolas, hyperbolas, can be written as polar equations in that form. And it's important to look at the eccentricity of the equation to determine whether it's a parabola, ellipse, or hyperbola. The eccentricity for an ellipse is between 0 and 1. The eccentricity is the ratio of a point from the ellipse to the focus and then the point to the directrix. For a parabola, that eccentricity equals 1. From the point to the focus and the point to the directrix, those are the same. Parabolas are very balanced in that regard. For hyperbolas, the eccentricity is greater than 1. So from a point to the focus, a point to the directrix, that ratio is greater than 1. Also that matters because the eccentricity is what we're going to look at. The graph of a polar equation of the form right here. Either of those, cosine or sine, plus or minus in either one, can be a conic, parabola, or hyperbola based upon what the eccentricity is. That e value in front of the cosine or the e value in front of the sine. If you can isolate that value, you can determine what type of conic it is. So the cosine or sine doesn't matter. The plus or minus doesn't matter. All that matters is the eccentricity value. So in example A, 3 plus 5 sine theta. Now in the denominator, it's always 1 plus minus, or 1 plus minus. So take everything in this denominator, divide it out by 3. And you find your eccentricity is 5/3. That's greater than 1. So example A, eccentricity of 5/3, greater than 1. If you do graph example A, you would get a hyperbola. I don't like that. Kind of tried to fix that. Didn't work. Okay, so the e value is all that matters. There should be a 1 in the front of the denominator. If there isn't a 1, divide everything by that value, and you'll find the eccentricity, the coefficient on sine or cosine. Positive or negative doesn't matter because each form has a plus or minus. So take a look at those very quickly. Check your work with the My Completed notes online.